Shout out to GT Sala. iPhone, AirPods, Apple Watch all dominate the teen technology market. Now, I know you're very familiar with the teen technology market, Will.
Am I?
Well, yeah, because you got to keep tabs on. In order to know what the future holds, you got to see what the next generation is up to. Whether it's the top music videos of the day, who's winning the Grammys.
Who is it? Olivia Rodrigo?
Yeah, you got it right.
And BTS?
No, the BTS army was pissed. They were like, how dare you invite them there and they don't win the Grammy?
Oh.
Because they're serious, that group. You don't mess with them.
The army?
Oh, my God. You barely even say it. What you just said, you might become a target. No, I'm kidding. They're...
It's like Voldemort.
As long as we're BTS guys, which we are, we don't need to explain.
Yes.
I got the BTS meal, so don't come at me.
Yeah. You re-up for a year.
I would have, that got me a year. And how about this? I would have given BTS the Grammy as well. How about that?
Okay, good.
But anyway, so when it comes to technology, the teens love Apple. And I don't think that's going to be a surprise to you, Will. The teens love the ecosystem. The teens love the advertising. I don't have any teens, but I have kids. And, when the advertising comes on, they love the popping and snapping of the Apple stuff.
Yeah, their commercials are very poppy.
Chat. Come get a better life. Come get a better life.
The cha-chas.
Come get a better life. Yeah. Cha. And they license like some real snappy, poppy, Grammy stuff.
Better life.
Better life. Come get a better life. Save your life. Twitter Blue. $3 a month. Edit button. Delete. iPhone. Ecosystem. AirPods. Analyst firm Piper Sandler undertakes 2 surveys of U.S. teenagers per year, with the last one covering fall of 2021. Its newly released spring 2022 report shows Apple either broadly retaining its popularity with some devices or increasing it with others. According to Piper Sandler, 87% of the 7,100 teenagers surveyed across 44 U.S. states currently own an iPhone. 87%, Mr. Willie. Whoo! Hoo-ha! That's the same as the previous report, where Apple had managed to increase ownership from 86% in the one before. They go up 1 point at a time. And you know what happens to you if you show up to high school as a teenager with the wrong bubble color? You get kicked in the butt. They kick you square in the butt.
I thought it was something much worse, but...
No, that's it.
I don't mind.
They're like, okay, okay. You got a slight... That's it. Now we can move on. Now you're not casted out of all social events and so forth. Yeah. But anyway, the teens, they love the Apple. The teens, they love the ecosystem. And they love the AirPods. Well, and if you were wondering if it was wavering at all, it's actually increasing. In fall 2021, it's up to 88%. Or no, sorry, it peaked at 88, then it went to 87. And it's 86, 87, 88. It's in that range. That's how many. If the teens get a choice, almost 9 out of 10 teens walk in that store and they say, I'm going to need that iPhone.
Man, they're ballers then. That's a lot of money.
I mean, their parents are ballers.
Yeah, I guess so.
To be fair, the parents are ballers. But you know what this does for me, Will? It makes me super happy to use Android.
Yeah. Oh, man, Apple Watch too?
I ain't no teen. Look at me over here. This ain't no teen.
No.
But no, I like to be contrarian at times. The thing is, Apple's just hanging on to it. It's the aspirational brand. They're hanging on to it, and it's a whole. You talk about an ecosystem of products. You got to talk about an ecosystem of brand and branding, and they're smart about it, man. The tactics are sharp. The tactics are key. And other brands got work to do as far as remaining in the hearts and minds.
Yes. Absolutely.
As the brand people want to interact with.
The Apple army.
Good luck. Yeah, it's BTS. Who wins? Apple fans or BTS army? Who wins that battle?
Oh man, that's really tough.
That is tough, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know. There's probably a lot of crossover. I feel like there's probably a lot of BTS army that might have iPhones as well.
Yeah.
So
A lot of cha-chas.
what do we got? We're going back and forth today. That's what we're doing. We're doing a ping pong episode.
I think we only have one Apple story.
No, I gave you more than that. I feel like you skipped my links.
Okay, I don't know which ones then.
Jack is with us today. What a pleasant surprise. Here he is walking through the frame. And are you being serious about breaking Final Cut or no?
It's got the wheel going.
Oh, you really broke it.
Burnt it out.
You save it?
Right. You were editing too fast.
Too many cuts.
You were flying. The old Jack was back. He was back in his prime shape. It was a 22-year-old Jack over there. You know how that happens from time to time in athletics, Will? It'll be a glimpse. You would be in the advanced stage of your career, and then it will be a glimpse of the prime time version of you.
Yeah.
You can't sustain it for very long, but just for that one moment.
So this wasn't his second wind? You think it's just going to disappear?
Oh, it's disappearing. Yeah, he can't keep up this pace. He can't. It's too much.
Okay, yeah.
He's run down.